Hello guys! Welcome to Water Sign Philippines. This is career reading for water sign. Start na natin ang reading. By the way, bago ako magsimula pa, i-ring ko lang yung aking Tibetan bell ha para mag-cleanse yung energy. And hopefully, makuha ko yung energy mo. So, pahinaan na lang ang volume. Medyo maingay po kasi ito. Start na natin. Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guys. Let's start your reading. This is for career. Reading for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Career. Reading for water sign. What do we have here for water sign? Please, messages for water sign. Okay. Archangel Michael. Searching and irreconcilable differences. Bottom of the deck, you do have your karmic. I feel like for now, may mga bagay na hindi magagandang dumadating sa'yo, like maybe news or yung iba, balita regarding someone na nagkakahiwalay or humihiwalay or may humihiwalay ko hindi man sa realidad or relationship. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa trabaho, negosyo, ganyan. Pwedeng end of partnership, pwedeng ganon. So may mga hindi magandang balita dito. I feel like hindi mo gusto. You don't like this news, this whatever this is. And with the Archangel Michael, I feel like mga importanteng iba sa inyo, may mga importanteng taong involved dito, importanteng tao para sa'yo, and you do have your karmic, and there's a lot of lesson here. Sa totoo lang, parang ayaw mong makita, ayaw mong marinig, but it feels like something na parang wala kang magawa. Ganun. And pasensya na kayo kung medyo matagal yung pagsasalita ko kasi may mga nawawala ako sa words ko ngayon eh. Anyway. You do have your happiness and today. So sa ngayon, medyo maaaring ikaw ay may mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo or nakakapagpasaya sa'yo. So parang, oo, okay ka naman. Pero yung mga taong involved na or mga kakilala mo is parang hindi sila okay. So, parang masaya ka, pero paano sila? Parang ganun. You do have your nightlife. Alien is here. So, nakakita tayo dito ng paglayo. Especially the alien is ikaw and maaaring ikaw ay nasa ibang side of the world. So, may pagkakalayo ka dito sa mga taong ito. And then, you're just having fun, you know? Pero yung mga iba, nakakilala mo, yung pamilya mo is currently trapped in a situation, hindi sila makaalis. It's like kailangan nila itong dalahin or kailangan nila itong tiisin. So tell me about this for water sign, please. For water sign. For water sign. You do have here realization, wish, poison, and crush. I feel like there's a toxic situation dito na parang hinihiling mo na lang na sana wag na 'tong mangyari, sana hindi ganito, sana bangungot lang 'to. Because sobrang I feel like ito career reading ito, but not only sa'yo, but yung mga taong involved or taong mga kilala mo. So, sila yung parang nakikita nating nahihirapan. And some of you puwedeng may mga nawalan ng trabaho, ganyan, et cetera. And it crushed them. Pero it is also crushing your heart. Apektado ka rin, nasasaktan ka rin na nakikita mo sila nagkakaganyan, nakikita mo sila na nagkakawatak-watak, nababasag or what. You don't like that to happen, pero wala kang magawa. The energy here is there's a lot of drama. No, there's a lot of chaos. So, uh, ano yung future for you? You do have your racing for water sign, please. Some of you pwede may mga umiiwas sa'yo or ikaw itong umiiwas na pag-usapan, maybe through chat or what, iniiwas ang pag-usapan. And in the near future, you do have your TikTok. So, there's deadline, yan, na kailangan tapusin, ayusin. You do have here access granted. Sold, someone here is selling something or paglipat. Nakakita tayo ng paglipat dito. You do have your interview and the history. So, nakakita tayo ng pag-uusap in the near future regarding sa kung ano yung nangyari na parang maybe alam mo na, pero iba pa rin yung pinag-uusapan. So, in the near future, may pag-uusap regarding dito. And, yan. Sa career mo, wala tayong masyadong nakita actually. Maybe some of you searching for job, looking for job, pero wala akong masyadong nakitang message dito. So, pwedeng hindi pa masyadong maisa sa katuparan ito ngayon. Pero, yun nga, yung mga tao sa paligid mo, sila yung medyo matindi yung pinagdadaanan ngayon. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Hopefully, nakuha mo yung messages, nakarelate ka. And, yeah, I wish you good luck, guys. Thank you for watching. By the way, if you want to have a personal reading with me, Unicorn Princess Tarot, i-chat mo ako sa TikTok. Okay? Thank you. I love you all and bye-bye.